Next up is number 6, widget 6. All right, so I'm going to start with a rectangle, 100. Okay, it only goes to 70 here, but I need to go all the way to the top. All right, so since this is a radius of 20, so from this line up to the top is 20 more, so it actually needs to be 100 by 90. That's where I'm going to start. So create a sketch on the front plane, do a rectangle, 100 tab 90, and that gives me the right size. So enter, and that makes my rectangle. All right, I'm going to start with these corners right here. The corners are rounded to a radius of 20. So I'm going to use the fillet tool and round these to 20. So type in 20 there, and it rounds them off. Okay. All right, look kind of like a face. I'm going to do these two little eyes. Now they are a diameter of 20, and they have the same center as my curve on the corner, on the top corner. So I'm going to make a, and it shows me the center point, so I can just create my 20 circle right on that top, and it's right in the center in the right position. So hit enter. I'm going to do a second one on the second corner. So if you place it right on the center, then they're already lined up in exactly the right spot where they're supposed to be. So that gives me those two. All right, next I need this like mouth shape, and I'm going to start with a rectangle. It's 40, since it's a radius of 20, it's a diameter, a radius of 10, it's a diameter of 20, so I need a rectangle that's 40 by 20. So I'll draw it and then I'll get it in the right spot later. So 40 tab 20, so that makes it the right size. Okay, now it needs to be, the edge of it is supposed to be right in the center, so this is 40, 100, so it needs to be half of that space. So 100 minus 40 is 60, half of that's 30, so it needs to be 30 from the edge. Okay, so I'm going to use my sketch dimension tool, select the left edge of both objects, drag it down, click, and I can type 30. And when I hit enter, it'll move the rectangle into the right position. So it's located in the right position. Okay, so now I need these rounded edges. So I'm just going to draw a circle. It's a radius of 10, so a diameter of 20. So I'm going to make a circle, and I want to place it right in the center. So I look for the X so that it's on the edge, and the triangle that shows us in the center. Click and drag, type in 20, and that makes it the right size so that it matches right up on the edges. Hit enter. Do the same on the other side. Make a circle right in the center. Okay, X means it's on the edge. The triangle means it's in the center point. Click and drag, make it 20, hit enter. So I've got the basic shape. I just need to cut out the extra, so trim using the scissors, trim out those pieces. And that's all the features that I need in there. So I'm ready to finish the sketch. Don't worry about that. Finish the sketch. Okay, and the only thing left is its depth. So I need to extrude, and just click on this face. Don't click on the circles or the mouth part, and drag it back, and it needs to be a depth of 60. So type 60, okay. And there it is. All right, so save that part in your folder. And that's number 6. And you're done.